Okay, so one of the issues that I was having here installing the, I think it's called the Zhiyun, something like that, anyway, is that it's hard to find in the app. You would think that because it looks like this, it would be easy to connect to it, but no, actually, it's in here for some reason. Let me see. It's in there as a crane. See, if you go in here, you have the crane options. In the other one, which is what it actually looks like, you have smooth and a bunch of these things, and they are not what you want. So you need to go into this and then into crane, and I do believe it is the crane. Where is it? Crane M2. Crane M2 is what you need for this tripod. Anyway, I thought I'd let you guys know because I found this to be
Likey.